Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and a very happy new year to you all. I know it's been quite a while I've been off the scene, but I am back ready to bring you more delicious recipe. So as you can see here, I have some saltfish and butterbean and some fresh ingredients with also a cucumber. And I'll be making what we call a traditional Jamaican breakfast recipe, but I'll be doing a twist to this as I will be having this for my main evening dinner. So sit back, watch and enjoy this feast that I'll be cooking up for you guys, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. But before we start, did you know that my recipe book is out on Amazon? You can run over to Amazon and grab a copy of my recipe book. Just search for I'm Cooking Simplifies, or you can get it on my website at www.imcookingandmore.com.